In this video, I'm going to talk to you about an application that will help you solve the problem of responding quickly and accurately to multiple choice questions in your paper 1 of the CXC examination, math examination. In this video, I'll show you the interface of the application, multiple choice practice quiz questions. In this application, you get dozens and dozens of multiple choice questions similar to those that appear in past CXC exam questions. So you get the opportunity to practice answering those questions. Here is another interface of the application, and it tells you about the learning outcomes, what you can expect. You can expect questions on, say for example, functions, quadratic equations, circle theorems, and any of the subjects or topics that are on the CXC syllabus. You learn also through engaging videos about the structure of the CXC exam. Take for example paper 1 deals with multiple choice questions, and there are 60 questions and they're timed for an hour and a half. Likewise, the interactive application, the quizzes are timed, and at the end of the exercise you'll be shown your score, and more importantly you'll get feedback on the questions you answered, so you'll know what you got right and what you got wrong, and you can learn from your mistakes. Now contrast that with the paper-based multiple choice questions that you are given in school. First of all, you're not given feedback instantly when you answer a question, and you're seldom given an explanation of how to solve that problem and what you got right and what you got wrong. So you don't learn from those experiences. But with this application, you learn from your mistakes, and so you can improve. And each time you reopen the application, it's like doing a brand new quiz, because all the questions and answers are shuffled. So if you guess the first time, you try it again, that strategy is not going to work. When you consistently score high on the application, you will know objectively that you really understand the topics covered. Here you see an example of a quiz, a multiple choice question, and the response correct. At the end of the exercise, you'll get full feedback as to your score, so you'll know objectively and you'll know immediately how well you did on that first pass of the exam. But to learn more about the application, you need to know of our website. Now, to get access to this website, you have to get a link, a direct link from the creator of this program, and that is, you'll have to send an email requesting the link to visit the website. It's called Click and Learn Anything, and you'll be amazed at the tons of stuff that's available for you to download free. Lots of free stuff, multiple choice questions, interactive videos, and much more. It covers all sorts of topics. CXC Math, your SPA, you can get a free trial versions of these applications. Yes, you can download free trial versions of applications. You pay nothing for it. You see how it works. You get a sense of and feel of the application, and if you think it works for you, then you get the full version. So that's what is available. Math made visual, interactive, and dynamic. Hundreds of interactive quizzes, yes, hundreds of interactive quizzes, and dozens of video lessons, tutorials. You get score and feedback. So send us an email and you will get the access to the Click and Learn website. Enjoy.